What's up, guys? Today I'm doing my first gaming video. So let's get on. Who should I join? I think I'm gonna join Arsenal since I died. Let me just refresh the page then. I'll play with they'll have private servers. Bruh. Oh, that's my cousin right there. Shout out to Ice Grill 12. Alright, let's play. Boom, 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 boom. You might think I'm trash, but look at my honey, man. Boom. Look at that. I got my first mythic 2 weeks ago. 35 bees, like, I don't know, 5 days ago. And I got a spirit bear quest. A spirit starter. I got Parsh. A little bit dumb. I don't really like spirit. Including that I'm a red backpack. And I have the porcelain dipper, which is basically the only good thing I have. Plus the boots. So let me just defeat this werewolf and then we'll defeat the mantis. Yeah, I'm just going to fall in from here for this quest. Boom, boom. Oh, I actually have gone in there for, what was it called? I forget too much. Oh yeah, because there's a gold egg in there. So I went in there before. I got it by having 10 haste. Now haste is literally the easiest thing to get, bro. Because look at all the ninja bees I have. How many ninjas do I have? Oh yeah, it's all the ninja bees. Ninja bee at 2 ninja bees. What? I actually was so lucky. I got on my cousin's account. She needed help. Her name is Cool Girl 2721. Yeah, I was on her account. I got a ninja bee from a basic egg. Thanks, guys. Bro, I just had to stop because it was my screen time done. So this is like an hour after. So yeah, I'm actually gonna show some people. Hey, yo, yo. No one responded? Bruh. You so bad. Wants to see me donate some valuable stuff to the wind shrine. Nobody. Oh, there's a windy bee. There's a windy bee. Oh, there's a windy bee. No one. So we're just gonna go to a different game. Let's just go here. I don't play this game. My brother does. He can't get his own account. So yeah. Type in the chat. Hello. why isn't no one responding? Alright, I'm gonna play a lobby for you guys. Bro, what am I? What did I just turn into? I'm super bad at lobbies. Bro, this is why I hate playing on mobile. Where am I? Bro, my screen is going so fast. Which way did I go? Yeah, this way.